Yo, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Sid Ninja Game Dev. Today is gonna be a pretty simple episode. I'm nice and cozy in my robe for today because it's Christmas. This will be out on the 26th, so happy belated Christmas to anyone that watches this video. But anyways, today is pretty simple. I'm right here over the Ninja. We're just gonna add Sid Ninja logo. What is the Sid Ninja logo? I haven't created it yet, but the other day I did come across some text that I want to use for Sid Ninja. So first things first, I'm going to load up Photoshop. Uh, it's loading up on this side, and I'm gonna go straight for the logo. I'm sorry, not the logo, but the thumbnail for the video series on YouTube. I don't think it's here, so let me go find it real quick. It's gonna be in what's the name of the series? This is Unpersonal Sid Ninja Game Dev. Okay, boom. So I really like this font for Sid Ninja, so I'm going to use pretty much this style, paste it right here. And then I don't know, maybe I might do some like animation over it or something like that. But first things first, let's just get the text into the actual game. So what we're going to do is take this font. Actually, first thing we're going to do is going to save it as a new file. Let's save it in, I don't know, is it bad to show people like what my files are? I don't know. I've never thought about that. Anyways, here are my files. You can see I have everything organized. Actually, this is a PSD, so let's save it outside. Let's save it as Sid Ninja logo. Boom. So now it's a new file, so now I can delete this without having to worry about anything. Delete null, and then get this. Boom. Cool. Get this nice and centered, and then get the font size up. Oh, shit. Hold on, let me correct the alignment on there. Boom. Alright, now we can get it nice and centered. Boom. And then go up on the font size in a very centered motion. Boom. I like the way this looks. It like brings out the essence of a ninja. Cool. So now we have this base layer. I'm going to save this. And I'm not sure if I can drag PSDs into Unity or not. So we're going to give that a try. Because if it does, then I'm going to be really excited. Because I can just edit the PSD in Photoshop and save it without having to export anything and update. And I think it does, to be honest. But let's find out. Why don't we? Images, boom, it's in the image folder. Now we can go back to Unity itself, and then it automatically updates once this stops spinning. Boom, it's here, it's here. Oh, sweet, perfect. So we can import PSDs into Unity, which is awesome. What that does, again, I get to open the Photoshop file and edit it and then save it, and I don't have to export anything, which is awesome. So let's go back to the menu, open scene, scenes, menu, okay, canvas, oops, what did I just do? That's what I meant to do. Shucks, go down. How do you go down? I forgot. Whatever. I forgot how do you go down. Alright. Oh, there we go. Boom. Perfect. I'm actually going to take him and make him disappear for a second so we can insert. Wait, what's going on here? Oh yeah, wait, so there's a different way I have to do this. But I forgot what it is. Give me a second so I can think about how I can insert this image. Alright, so I found it, found out how to do it. I had to go to Game Object UI Raw Image, not image and not sprite, which is in the 2D. It's a UI Raw Image. And it's in. So now that it's in, we can get it to the right size. Let's just use scale, make this easy on us. Let's try 10. Whoa, hold on. Why is everything broken right now? Alright, let's not do scale then. Let's do width, perhaps. Oh, because my numpad's not on. Sorry. That's why. That makes sense. 10 by 10. That seems like we're on the right track. I don't think... I'm not going to center it on the screen. I'm going to get it centered off to the side. So let's try like a 7. Boom. I don't know. In this, I'm going to check it off the list for something that I'm going to complete, but it's kind of like placeholder, and it will be placeholder up until the time of release, essentially, because something might change, which I'm like, I want to make this a little different. So I'm going to put this here for now, but just know that it's subject to change. And I'm sorry if this is terribly boring. I'm not the best at like explaining and teaching as well as doing stuff, so whatever. At least hopefully this is at least a little fun. Moving on, I'm gonna add a little gradients to this. Look, it's already set on red. That's perfect. Awesome. Add a little red gradients, and again, to the benefit of having a PSD file, it automatically updates once it's done loading. Or so I thought. What's the deal here? Did I save? I for sure saved. Why aren't you updating? Okay, if it's not updating, I'm not sure what the deal is. But Sit Ninja text is in. We need to enable our guy. And I can see that he is too tall. So let's move him down a bit. And I see that because I'm looking at this screen. And this is like the actual game screen. So going back over here, I'm just gonna get a little shorter and hope that this does it. Let's find out. Cool. I just want to center the text right over his head. Let's go. Where's it at? It's logo. Bring it over a bit. And I'm referring to this screen right now. Right over his head. I guess I can raise it a bit. Sit Ninja. Alright. Cool. Let's give that a play test. Just see how it looks. Boom. I think that the ninja is too short. I liked where he was before. So I'm actually, before we end this episode, I'm going to move all of this down and then get this over here, on top over here, so that I can move him back up. That's what I'm going to do. So let's select, move these all down. And actually, I'm also going to scale them. I'll make them a little smaller too, because I want to add in a settings button. I need to make sure there's space for all that. Boom. Not a settings, sorry, I meant a credits button. Boom, boom, boom. Where's logo? Slide logo over. Sit Ninja. Cool. Then we get our actual ninja back up a bit. I like that alignment. I'll just give it a play test. See how it fares. Cool. I think it looks a lot better. Alright, so for today's episode, the goal was to add Sid Ninja logo. That right there is Mika Finn. She's very, very, very dangerous. So today's goal is to add Sid Ninja logo, and we have done that. Where's my mouse? We've done that, as you can see here. I don't know why it's not updating with the gradients. I could have sworn when I worked on Pizza Jump, it would automatically update the PSD files. I could have sworn, but maybe not. Anyways, that is done. So let's cross it off our list. Boom. Yes, it's completed. Black out the space. Make this bold. I don't know why I make it bold, but I do. And I also want to do this other one because it's tedious level 1. Just add a credits button. And about the whole animation on the Sid Ninja logo text and all that, I think that will be included into the UI overhaul. I think I have these backwards. Tedious level 1 is like super tedious. My bad. Hold on. Sorry. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, I had those backwards. I think it was going to be on the UI overhaul, so I might add animation, all that stuff, and change the buttons and all that stuff. But let's just add a credits button real quick. It's going to take us 2 seconds. Literally. Settings button. Let's take the settings button. It's not showing the text. I don't know what the deal is with that. I think something with Unity or something. Maybe my graphics card. I don't know, but it's not that big of a deal because we can duplicate this. Now the text is back. I don't know. Boom, 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 boom. This is gonna be credits button. Gotta make sure you get those credits in. If you are watching this episode, make sure you check out the credits. Don't make the credits be lonely. You're not on camera. You shut your mouth.
I messed up.
You're not on camera. You shut your goddamn pie hole.
Why?
Credits. Boom. Alright, the spacing's off. I don't respect that, so we're gonna make a little more space. I can check the mouse, but not right now. It's gonna be in the UI overhaul. Boom, select all these, bring them all up a little bit. Boom, cool. Just as easy as that. Add credits button is done, so let's check that off of our list. Whoops. Boom. Yes. It's black. Oops, I meant the bucket. Black it out. Bold in. And then categorize to get out the way. Cool. Alright guys, I think that does it for today's episode. Really simple. It's probably a lot longer than I wanted it to be. But I added the logo, added credits. We're getting one step closer to actually releasing this app. I thank you all for tuning in, and I hope that you're excited to see the game completed and up on the app stores. See you on the next one.